Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Alright, so a little update to the LEDs install. So far they've been great. I enjoy them. They got a nice look at them. You know, again, I do a little bit of riding at night, not a lot of riding. So, but they've seemed great. I've had some comments talking about, well, it's not waterproof. Well, water can get in your headlight now. And then I was like, well, I don't ride, you know, in the rain. And then my wife was like, wow, you can control the weather? I'm like, no. So, yeah, because I live in Florida, so it can rain at any moment. So, or I might be at work and my bike's sitting outside and it might rain. So now I'm getting a little worried. So I went ahead and purchased some boots. I'll put a link down below. There's some dust boots, some extra ones, because I didn't want to mess with the ones that are stock. So all I did was buy some that were almost identical, and I just trimmed off this edge that was sticking up. So I bought these. So this is what it looks like, and then I put the boots on, and that's what they look like now. This should keep some of the water out. At least, you know, riding or sitting, water shouldn't be directly shot inside the headlight. So I'll have to come back and let you guys know how it works out. All right, again, like and subscribe and leave me a comment, and I'll be bringing you guys some more content. All right, see you guys later.